Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing, okay? To hit that red subscribe button. Okay, thank you so much in advance for hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this with someone you think this may help motivate to start paying off their debt, as well as leave me comments down below. If you're doing Transfer Tuesday, let me know how it's going. If you're not doing Transfer Tuesday and you're just paying off some debt, let me know how it's going, okay? So let's get into our iPad right here, right now. And we're going to go over to Capital One because I was moving a little quickly without you guys. Do y'all see that buy by debt is at 0? Come on, come on. Now we're going to go to Tara's Major Keys because I moved over the Circle Challenge money. So the Circle Challenge is completed. There it is. $800 Circle Challenge has been completed. And therefore, the money that was in the Circle Challenge, it was $199.86. And I just moved over this money to Tara's Major Keys to get ahead of it, y'all. And so now we have $199 deposited so that we can go pay our balance. So now let's get over to our settings and wallet and Apple Pay. And then we're going to go to our Apple Card, which shows that we need to make a payment of $50.66. That would be our next installment payment for December. But we're about to finish this. Finish him. Okay, and so this one is completed, and this particular one has $199. aka, as you can see, our next installment payment was $50.66 for December 31st, but we're about to finish it. Okay, so we're going to go to pay early, and we're going to go to continue, and then we're going to pay another amount, which is going to be $199. Pay $199 with our Capital One account that's set up, and we're going to touch it. You paid $199. Your payment has received. Done. Excuse me, do you see it? Do you see the where is my bell? Do you see the completed button, guys? Do you see the completed button? Ring my bell, ring my bell. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. This is the best Vlogmas day so far. Paying off the iPad. No more iPad payments. And I could just use it. iPad just rent free over here. So we have no more payments, y'all. I'm so excited. The iPad is completed. There is $0 due, and our full $8,500 is available to us, which I don't plan on really ever using for much of anything. Maybe just the membership for Good Notes will come back on there. But I'm so excited, you all. I'm so excited. And of course, they're going to take their money like tomorrow. They do not play about taking their money out the account, but the money will be sitting in there. I'm so happy that this iPad is paid. If y'all could see me dancing right now. Thank you all so much for rocking with me through this Transfer Tuesday. I got this iPad on October 1st, and on December 3rd, it is officially paid off, which technically could have been paid off by November 29th when I got my last check. So I am excited. That's nothing but God, y'all. But I want to tell you, if you're paying something and it's larger than this was $800, but keep in mind I had $250 already saved in an account that I put towards it. Then I had an extra paycheck in November. So if you're not getting it done as fast as I am, please do not compare yourself to me. Don't do that. Don't do that, sweetheart. Don't do that. Keep pushing, keep doing what you can do, because every little bit counts. All right. And I'm gonna have a much bigger goal, much bigger thing to pay off next year that we'll follow along with. But for now, I'm so happy to say This iPad is paid. Thank you all. I love you all for your support. Have a wonderful, blessed evening. Happy Vlogmas. And have a terrific Transfer Tuesday. Bye. Love you, mean it.